I made a fruit salad. Yeah. These are all pipino here in the Philippines. And apple. And also tomato. And also this one, pipino. I forgot what what is the English term, but I know, but I'm black, I forgot. And also this one, bitter gourd or ampalaya. And also onion, I put onion, and that's all. My salad for a healthy food intake. And that's, I apply salt only and a bit of sugar